Principality Building Society Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're a member of Principality Building Society, their app promises to make managing your accounts simple, but does it really deliver? One of the biggest pros is convenience. Most people get this wrong by assuming they need to visit a branch for everyday tasks. With the app, you can check balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and set up alerts in real time. Notifications for payments and account activity help you stay on top of your finances effortlessly. Another advantage is security. The app uses multi-factor authentication and biometric login, giving you confidence that your accounts are safe. It also provides clear transaction histories and statements, making it easy to manage mortgages, savings accounts, and loans all in one place. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional slow loading times or issues with syncing multiple accounts. Advanced features, such as applying for new products or detailed financial analysis, may still require using the desktop platform or visiting a branch. In conclusion, the Principality Building Society app is a strong tool for everyday banking, offering convenience, security, and transparency. The surprising truth is that while it's excellent for account monitoring and basic transactions, complex financial tasks still work better on the desktop platform or in person. For members looking to manage their accounts efficiently on the go, the app is highly practical, but pairing it with other channels ensures full access to all banking services.